My temperature froze, never tempted by hoes. Always locked when I load, I'm prepared to explode. They don't like that I rose, so they pray that I fall. But be pissed when I tell you I'm mentally strong. Physically fit, you'll get laughed in an instant. Feeling like rappers are no competition. Murdering beats, pursue with the mission. That's why I'm so hated, they're signing petitions. Now listen, I'm clearing my heart and my soul, slowly take a shot. I'd rather let it hit you fast instead of trying to make it hot. Sometimes songs will tell you stories, I'll feed you tons of bars, smacking the faces of lots of these rappers to let them know I am the one who's in charge. Shot caller, top dollar earner, watch me go farther, go harder than a semi-truck, shifting to full throttle. Yum, take my foot off the gas, you can bet on your ass that I won't. I claim you were lame, only out for the fame, but you saying the same. But I know how you choke, I know how you front, I'll confront you on that. You switching to singing, you usually rap. You're popping your gas and you stay in the trap, but you live with your parents, how gangsta is that? You're hopeless and bogus, only threatened with some of your goons. I'll see you on my own and have you shivering, shook in your shoes. I'm that cold. I know it.
You're willing to sacrifice
the way I do the things I do is up to me, not up to you. I'm on the grind, I'm on the move. You like to watch, kudos to you.
You're as cold as ice.
We know it.
You're willing to sacrifice
the way I do the things I do is up to me, not up to you. I'm on the grind, I'm on the move. You like to watch, kudos to you.
I consider myself below the degrees of Fahrenheit. You but you believing you could be receiving the Celsius that I was standing, you know it ain't right. I'm cold as ice, I put it in layman's, you're wishing for one, but you're rolling the dice. I can heat you up quick by lighting a blaze of flames up under you guys. You get freezer burnt, better be watching your six, cause you could reach your turn. You cease to learn, remember me now, for I am aware and always concerned. You tamper with nitrogen flow and you get what you earn, so watch what you're stirring. Worry or not, you come at me hot, I'm breaking your furnace, I'll make it long term. You're getting the sickles and riddles, I've written these syllables, chilling my lyrical form. Get hit with a blizzard, I'm vicious with sorcery, I am a wizard, get stuck in the storm. Like practicing magic, the savages manage to take two elements, have them torn. Using the alchemy, all of you doubt on me, now this monstrous spitter is born. Begging up a victim, put them in the morgue, there's a slight shiver running up my spine. Could I be a killer with a microphone, standing at your funeral, bless you one last time. Different inclement incident, visioning through my rhymes, the ice behind. You slip on my trail, the brisk, we're more frigid, inclined, Arctic apex is mine.